Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Dogecoin. I had to do an update, first of all, because I like to keep you updated daily, but apart from that, this is also going to be a little bit more of an exciting update, because Dogecoin, in my eyes, actually has a chance to break out here, alright? I'll tell you why, I'll tell you what I'm seeing that I think is interesting, and we'll talk about how you can actually trade this, or just in general how you can kind of capitalize on this. So let's get right into it. So what most of you know is that Dogecoin has mostly been consolidating here between 43 cents and 35 cents. All right, I've talked about that for, well, basically for the last 2 weeks or so, right? So most of you are probably getting sick of me telling you that. And what I've always said is that, all right, well, if we actually want to get a breakout, then, well, Bitcoin either needs to be very strong, or we need to gain a lot of volume, or just in general momentum. And that was never the case. I mean, yesterday when we did the video, the price was down here, and it was not likely that we were going to break out. But things have changed, all right? The Bitcoin dominance has fallen a lot, which has actually provided quite a lot of breathing room and growing room as well for altcoins. Dogecoin is still an altcoin, no matter how big it is. So that has helped, all right? Altcoins in general have performed quite well, even though the last couple of hours are a little bit less. But then what's most interesting, I think, for Dogecoin is that the volume in the last 24 hours has doubled, up to $8 billion right now. I would love to see it a bit higher. Yesterday, what I said is that if it reaches $10 billion, then I think we're going to break out. So I need it to be a little bit higher. But if it continues on this path, it's going to be there later today. And the second thing which I like a lot is that we are actually gaining new momentum, all right? So if we look back at all the other times that we gained momentum, the last time was here the 21st of November, had a big move afterwards. Another time was like right here the 4th of November, started to move up heavily afterwards as well. So this, even though I must say the CVD that comes with it is a little bit less bullish than, well, no, it's actually pretty fine. But that momentum in combination with the volume makes it quite likely, in my eyes, that we're going to break out. Now, on the lower time frames though, the main level in my eyes that needs to break is this level right here at 43.5 cents. So what I think is best, right now price is trading at 42.6 cents. Like, I think it's most likely we're going to break out. All right, so that's going to be my prediction. Maybe we'll have a bit of a pullback, maybe a bit of a trap here, reclaim, breakout. So that's what I think is most likely. But if you want to trade this, you could either wait, like the main support right now is at 41.6 cents, so 0.416. You could either wait for a strong reaction from that level to get in, but I think it's much better to just wait for the confirmation. I could be wrong, all right? We could not break out. That's a possibility. It's the weekend, and Bitcoin itself is actually dropping down quite a bit. So the best thing to do right here is just place an alert at 43.5 cents. And if we're able to break that, I think that breakout technically in combination with the volume we have right now, which has probably gone up even more by then. But with the volume and the momentum increase that we're seeing right now, I would say that's enough to actually get a move into the previous highs right here at 47.5 cents, but into 50 cents as well. And I think that's quite logical. If I tell the story like this, I think it's quite logical that you know, if we actually can get that breakout as well, there's just so many reasons why we would go up in these market circumstances. That I'd say that's most likely in general. But like I said, right now, best thing to wait for confirmation. I think it's most likely we're going to do something like this. So those are my thoughts. That's my prediction. But yeah, those are my thoughts for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.